Hello, I'm Uma Arora from Tutors.com, and in today's video we are going to learn about wastewater story. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are introduction, sewage, water freshens up, and treatment of polluted water. So let's move forward towards the next slide and let's try a few pre-assessment questions. So you can pause the video here and you can try the given questions, and once you are done with all the questions you can resume the video to check your answers. So pat your back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's have a quick introduction of what we are going to learn today. So as we know that wastewater is the water which cannot be used further, and water wastage happens when toxic substances enter water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and then they get dissolved in them, lying suspended in the water or depositing on the bed. Well, this degrades the quality of the water and thus making the water polluted and not suitable for consumption. Well, as we all know that water is a very precious resource, so we should use it effectively and efficiently to avoid any wastage. Let's move forward towards the next topic, which is sewage. Well, sewage is waste matter such as dirty water from homes and factories which flows away through sewers. So sewage is a liquid waste and most of it is water which has dissolved and suspended impurities. The average person in the industrialized world produces between 60 and 140 gallons of sewage per day. So this was all about sewage. Now let's move forward towards the next slide. Well, there could be one more way to fresh the water. Like sewage pipes, we also use bar screen that catches large numbers of objects that have got into sewer systems such as bricks, bottles, pieces of woods, etc. Now let's talk about treatment for polluted water, like how we can treat. So let's talk about few strategies. So given below are two strategies for the treatment for pollutant water. The first one is sedimentation and the next one is filtration. So let's think that you're making an iced tea and you put some sugar into that, but let's imagine that all the sugar is not dissolved in the iced tea. So sediment is what you get in the bottom of a glass when all the sugar isn't dissolved yet. So that part is called sediment, and now let's talk about the whole process, which is sedimentation. So just keep a jar full of muddy water overnight. Next day what you'll see is that all the impurities are settled down in the bottom in the form of sediment, and on the top you can see the clear water, and then the clear water can be poured off from the top. Well, this process of separation used in this example is called sedimentation. Now let's talk about the next process, which is filtration. Filtration is a process by which insoluble solids can be removed from a liquid by using a filter paper. Now let's talk about filter paper, like what is filter paper? Well, a filter paper is a special type of paper which has pores that are tiny enough to let only liquid pass through it. If you pass a solution through filter paper, any undissolved solid particles will get left behind on the paper, whereas the liquid will filter through. And this process is known as filtration. So here are a few questions for you to practice. You can pause the video here, and once you're done with all the questions, you can resume the video to check your answers. Congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.